ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for being here, and I'm so glad to see the galaxy of stars connected with social media at one place. This is amazing. This is amazing. And I'm sure this is going to bring down very good results. But let me be more relevant, and let me try to speak what I think is in a rather closer proximity geographically to you. So, cutting out the cap and in the introduction, we are living in the age when we see mass media turning into media of masses. Then when printing press that started the revolution has come a long way, and marketing forces now have given privileged few ones who control the information, and you know them all. They are the people who disseminate the information on need-to-know basis. They decide what we should know. It's in this age now. Once we go forward to any yacker, hacker, geek, anti-establishment guru, or adored connected computer can open up a blog on WordPress, Blogger, or a Squiddo. There are so many things. This is what is turning the mass media into media of masses. And that is how the things have started changing. Blogging is no more new trend in Pakistan. Many Pakistani online users are writing their own blogs. By the way, this article has appeared in newspaper of today, Pakistan Today. उसका एक नया magazine निकला है जिसका नाम है Prophet. This has appeared in that. So I would suggest if somebody wants to, they should look at it. So the voice of the bloggers of Pakistan is being heard. The very forum, network, and I would say connected network, Pakistan's first international media summit, is testimony to the fact. I am sure this event will go a long way in promoting blogging and use of social media and bringing positive change at grassroots levels in our own local context. Many thanks to the organizers for making it possible for us to connect and network. Also, I take this opportunity to suggest that such meetups should be held more frequently and in Lahore too. Brother, this is for you. Once I ask network and connect, out of the box, let me say, gentlemen, please connect your own identities with your online properties. Please connect with each other. Please connect your properties with each other. If the bloggers sitting here connect with each other, so you can ask the expert of Google that what will happen to your own page rank. Monetizing social space, getting paid for blogging and making money is still a new idea in Pakistan. There are reasons for this. Sadly, जब तक राबिया गरीब बाहर है मैं जल्दी से आगे चला जाता हूँ. Sadly, corporate Pakistan is yet not aware of blogs as a communication channel and economical, effective and interactive marketing tool. Most bloggers still are shy to make money through their blogging efforts, and there are some other inherent disadvantages. Let's have a look at them. By the way, is anybody making money from blogging? Is how much, may I ask? Very good. Anybody else? 2, 3. MashaAllah, this is good. Let me say on the outset that businesses cannot afford to ignore blogs, because blogs are simply the most explosive outbreak into the information era since the internet itself. In more connected and more developed world, blogs are already shaking up just about everything and every business. It doesn't matter whether you are making Chulistani handicrafts in Rajanpur or you are making FIFA footballs in Sambadyal. Any savvy business cannot delay the adoption of blogging anymore. Given the changes Computers and collaborative web technologies bringing upon us, you call it globalization as you say, blogs are not business elective anymore. They are prerequisites. Like anywhere else, blogs can be a welcome mat for Pakistani corporate sector as well. But sadly, this has not started happening yet. And if it is happening, as these three gentlemen have said, so it is happening on a very, very little scale. I know, and you know as well, that most of us are hesitant to talk about making money from social media or making money from your blogging efforts. They do not even want to hear about those alpha bloggers who are earning and making millions. But it's about time that we should start talking about the subject. It's about time we should start talking about the subject rather more frankly. But not. Let me tell you that every blog with a decent following has a potential, economic potential. But not every blogger is trying to tame that potential. Empirical observations show that there are three categories of local bloggers. First, those who are still shy to make money from blogs and shy to announce their desire to monetize. Those who sit with the Louis but still don't go ahead. And last category is trying to chase own fortune on the web with varying degree of success. We'll ask these gentlemen. Walk around Pakistani blogosphere and you will see enterprising bloggers showing Google generated ads or ads by other pay-per-click programs like AdBright, Chitika, and earning some pocket change from their blog. There is so much more that can be done. Bloggers can sell ad spaces on their papers, on their pages. Popular blogs can also land and lead sponsorship deals for good amounts. I know a few examples of bloggers flipping blog in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, I myself sold one of my project blog recently, and the gentleman who bought that blog is bringing a book of the same name, Fine Art of Blogging, from that blog. I have tried with merchandising as well through my blogs, attempt to sell my own books, and the one I have been translating was an experience. While I did not make a lot of money with merchandising, I am sure other able bloggers can do much better. And I blame lack of Urdu culture online because my books were in Urdu. That's not all. Bloggers can sell any product whenever they want to and wherever they want to, Cafe Press and Amazon and all those things. Anyone who blogs can hope to make decent amount of money. The essence of sweeping statement, which I'm giving here on this forum, is that you should be able to connect disconnected to each other. Connect advertiser to the people who want to be advertised, connect job hunters with the job, connect information seekers to the information, and the like. It is in this connection for which businesses and individuals from all over the world offer to pay bloggers for mentioning them and their products or services in their blogs. Bloggers create an online buzz and businesses get connected with the desired focused segment. Many platforms like your paper post, you know them all, Social Spark, InLink Post, Sponsia, Sponsored Review, Loud Launch, Review Me, Linkwork, just to name a few, have come up. These services manage growing demands by advertisers and arrange supply to interested bloggers. Few years ago, I signed on some of these programs, and most of my blogging money now comes from the products and reviews. That is why you see the post about best plumbing service in New York And next to the post about my favorite port singer, Pathan Khan. Once businesses do not have the right bloggers, first of all, they should do it. The businesses themselves. The call of this presentation is the corporate Pakistan should come forward and understand what is blogging, and they should come forward and approach you and ask you to do what other people in outside world are doing. But once businesses can't do it themselves, they should hire external bloggers, and external bloggers can look up to their to the company or their products, and they should be able to blog and bring them online, and their presence can be made more powerful. I have another portion which if I am given chance to say, and that is regarding the challenges I have been facing and most of you might be facing once it comes to monetizing your social space.